Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Today I will be sharing my college makeup routine with you guys. मैंने सोचा to make it more interesting, why not put up a timer of 3 minutes. Put up a timer of 3 minutes. So it's going to be like a makeup challenge. I just want to say that this is just like a very normal everyday college makeup sort of routine which I follow, and sometimes I don't even put anything on my face except for moisturizer and lip balm. If you're someone who puts proper makeup on your face or just don't put anything at all, that's totally cool. I am not judging you, neither should anybody. If you like it, then do give it a thumbs up, and yeah, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get straight into the video now. I will put my timer. It's all set. I hope you guys can see it. My timer is ready. 3 minutes. Before starting, I'll just put my hair back. I don't like it when my hair is on my face. So, yep. Let's hit the start button. So, there. Oh god. So I thought, why not keep it a bit chatty video. Oh, by the way, I am using the Garnier Light Complete Moisturizer. This is the first step that I do always. So, इतना काफी है. I don't know why I am freaking out. Whereas this is the exact amount of time I take for my makeup for college. Let's move on to the second part, and second step, and that is compact powder to set my face. And I will be using this Maybelline ka, and I will take my beauty blender and just 32 seconds. Oh my god. I'll just quickly do the eyebrows. Shit, 17 seconds. Now I'll do my kajal. I'm using the Lakme's Eyeconic kajal. All the products will be linked in the description. I'm so sorry. Oh god, mirror chahiye, mirror chahiye. No. No. It's already 3 minutes. मैं चैलेंज हार गई गाइज. I cannot believe it. It's already 3 minutes. 1 minute की शांति. We have to continue the makeup videos, so I'll just continue doing what I was doing now without any rush and hurry because I clearly failed the makeup challenge. Shit. I love kajal. मतलब fresh एकदम. It doesn't look like you are sleepy head or something like that. क्योंकि trust me, every day when I'm getting ready for my college, I look like a walking dead person. Then to make my eyes look more open and more pretty. I don't know if it's possible or not, but yeah, to make it look a bit presentable. Yes, that's the right word. God, I am in loss of word right now. Maybe क्योंकि मैं challenge हार गई इसीलिए, because I was totally not expecting this. Trust me. Next I'm gonna put some mascara here. Let's put some mascara on, guys. God, I'm so bad at it. I am so bad at doing makeup. I'm so sorry. So that was like pretty much it I do for my eyes. Then I love to give my cheeks a little bit of blush, so to make it look more pinky, because I am not one of those people who are blessed with pink cheeks naturally. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use some lipstick as my blush. इससे बहुत ज़्यादा natural आपका cheeks लगता है. So done. Now moving on to our last step, which is the lipstick. Now I am a person who doesn't really like bright colors on my lips, so I prefer using lip balm. But when I am in the mood of lipstick, I just like using some nude lipstick, and this from Maybelline, the nude nuance, is the perfect nude shade. Yes, so that's the final look. So that was my makeup routine for my everyday call. Okay, so that was my everyday college makeup routine, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, because I just failed the challenge. मेरे को अभी भी believe नहीं हो रहा that I legit failed the challenge, but yeah, it was fun. It was really fun. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, because there are a lot of more interesting freshers videos coming up for you guys, and basically for all my lovely freshers out there who are going to start their college. I really hope I will be able to help you guys in any ways, and if you have any queries or questions or anything, you can just DM me on my Instagram account. I will make sure to link it down in the description box. And yes, so now I'll take your leave, and do not forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and I shall see you really soon. Bye.